Hi, my name is Charlie Maligaya, and I'm wondering why am I still doing kinda tortures me. It's the cramping after 3 days of torture, 3 days of editing, 3 nights of whatever the stuff to do just to get graduation I need. One, I'm not greedy, but I just want to finish everything so that I could be on the graduation list. Otherwise, I may be myself killed. Anyways, sorry if my voice.
Wala bang tawag mo ba? Wala bang... Pero nandiyan yung yung wheel.
Hi, my name is Charlie Maligayo, and this is my big Hey, this is Charlie Maligayo, and this is the Judgment Day. Ito wala lang eh. Doon ako talaga, ang dami na tao. Buti nga kinani, pinagtatlo sila ng mga kapatid. Ha? Pinag yung Ray. Sinanay, pinagtatlo nila ng mga kapatid.
Ewan ko baka Sony Vegas ang gamit eh.
Buti hindi sila ganun ka, more on revision lang sa kanila. Sa amin talaga
Ano ito?
Teka oh. Ano yung camera yun sa'yo?
Oh, hindi sa brother-in-law ko.
Virgie, di ba? Research coordinator. Si Ma'am Domingo.
Siya na? Siya na? Hi, video ba yan?
Oo.
I'm so overwhelmed and I'm so happy that we're finally over. Finally over? Napag-break ako. Hindi, saya lang. Hi. Ang bait nila. Hi. Jujuti na ako. Kami na anak. This is my duty bag. Hi, this is my sister. Graduating kami. Actually, I'm a nursing student. Yes. Hi, Charlie. Thank you sa paglagay ng pangalan ko sa narrative mo. I read it. Thank you. Ba't nakawala?
Hindi, listed sa classmates.
Oo.
Hindi, nakalista yun sa classmates.
I thought we're friends. And I thought I was friends.
Hindi, papadagdag ko na lang. Second reading pa naman yan eh. Second reading pa.
Wala, hindi naman.